Title: Genetics, the Code of Life. Meaning: today, we're exploring the word genetics. Genetics is the scientific study of genes, which are the units of heredity that carry information for the development, functioning, and inheritance of all living organisms. It's like the instruction manual of life. Pronunciation. Pronouncing genetics is straightforward. dʒəઃnɛtɪks, with a soft G and a long E. Use in a sentence. For example, genetics plays a crucial role in determining an individual's traits, such as eye color, height, and susceptibility to certain diseases. Importance. Genetics is at the forefront of scientific advancements, influencing fields like medicine, agriculture, and even criminal investigation. It helps us understand the fundamental processes of life. Conclusion. In summary, genetics is a word that unlocks the secrets of life, offering insights into the diversity and complexity of living organisms. Thanks for joining us today on your channel name. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, continue to marvel at the wonders of genetics in the world around us.